As the first light of dawn touches the earth, a journey begins where nature and innovation meet in perfect harmony, birthing a new era of purity. Behold the golden grains of our smart fields, where every blade of rice is nurtured by the wisdom of the land and the precision of technology. Intelligent sensors monitor the heartbeat of the crop, ensuring each grain reaches its peak nutritional value under the watchful eye of advanced robotic precision for excellence. This is where traditional agriculture meets the future, using real-time data to cultivate rice that is as sustainable as it is rich in essential nutrients. From the sky to the soil, our integrated systems protect and preserve the essence of the rice, ensuring only the finest quality reaches our modern facility. Powered by the sun itself, our ecosystem thrives on renewable energy, proving that high-tech production can exist in complete resonance with the natural world around us. We believe in a beginning that respects the environment, starting with values that are as pure as the water and as bright as the morning sun. As the harvest reaches its peak, the transformation begins, moving from the open fields into the heart of our sophisticated and highly advanced processing center. With surgical precision, our autonomous harvesters gather the bounty, ensuring that not a single grain is wasted during this most critical stage of the process. The rhythmic motion of the harvest is a testament to our efficiency, capturing the very soul of the land in every single grain we carefully collect. Advanced laser technology scans every individual grain, discarding any imperfections to maintain a standard of quality that is truly world-class and second to none. Only the purest, most perfect grains remain, polished to a pearlescent shine and ready to be transformed into the liquid gold of our plant-based milk. The protective layer is gently removed, revealing the hidden treasure within, a source of vitality and health that has been cherished for many countless generations. Inside our facility, cleanliness is a religion, and every step is controlled to ensure that the natural goodness of the rice is never once compromised. Witness the culmination of careful selection, where nature's bounty meets human ingenuity to create a foundation for a truly premium and delicious nutritional experience. Step into the laboratory of the future, where science and nature dance together to unlock the deepest nutritional secrets hidden within each humble rice grain. Our expert researchers work in absolute sterility, precisely measuring every element to enhance the natural profile of our milk without any artificial or harmful additives. We analyze the molecular structure of every batch, ensuring a perfect balance of vitamins and minerals that provide sustained energy and health for your body. Through the power of 3D visualization, we can see the invisible, optimizing the nutritional density to create a drink that is as smart as it's healthy. The magic of enzyme hydrolysis begins here, gently converting complex starches into natural sugars, creating a smooth and naturally sweet base for our premium milk. Every reaction is monitored with millisecond precision, ensuring that the texture and flavor remain consistent, bottle after bottle, for a truly superior and refined taste. Purity is captured in every drop, a liquid symphony of health that is designed to nourish your soul and provide the ultimate plant-based dairy alternative. Innovation is a continuous journey of discovery, as we constantly refine our methods to push the boundaries of what plant-based nutrition can truly achieve today. No detail is too small for our attention, as we employ the latest safety technologies to guarantee a product that is perfectly safe for your family. When science elevates nature, the result is more than just milk. It is a masterpiece of modern nutrition designed for the conscious and healthy consumer. Our commitment to the planet is as strong as our passion for quality, harnessing the power of the wind to drive our sustainable production forward. We believe in a circular economy where every drop of water is purified and returned to the earth, supporting a lush and vibrant local ecological system. Life flourishes around us, a testament to our zero-waste philosophy and our deep-rooted respect for the delicate balance of the environment we inhabit and protect. Sustainability is woven into the very fabric of our architecture, turning our production hub into a giant green lung that breathes life back into nature. We take pride in our green footprint, ensuring that every glass of milk you enjoy is produced with the lowest possible impact on our precious planet. Even at the microscopic level, we apply green pressure and thermal precision to unlock nutrients without the need for harsh chemicals or industrial processing agents. Watch the transition from solid grain to liquid silk, a transformation powered by clean energy and the sheer brilliance of modern, eco-friendly green technology solutions. Our engineers are the guardians of this green heart, maintaining a system where industrial efficiency and biological life exist in a beautiful and productive synergy. As the day ends, our promise remains, to produce with a conscience, honoring the earth that provides us with these precious and life-giving golden grains. The final stage of the symphony begins on our state-of-the-art bottling line, where precision robotics handle every container with absolute care and sterile accuracy. Every bottle is a vessel of health, sterilized by light to ensure the longest lasting freshness and the purest taste experience for you and your family. Experience the smooth, velvety flow of our premium plant-based milk as it fills each bottle, a culmination of technology and nature's finest and most pure ingredients. A relentless march toward perfection, our production capacity ensures that this premium nutrition is accessible to everyone who seeks a better and healthier lifestyle. Branded with excellence, each bottle carries our mark of quality, a laser-etched promise of transparency and traceability from the field to your very table. Packed with care and sustainable materials, our product is ready to travel across the globe, bringing the taste of the future to modern homes everywhere. This is not just milk, it is a symphony of technology, a masterpiece of plant-based innovation that sets a new standard for the entire dairy industry. The true reward is found in the smiles of the next generation, nourished by a product that respects their future and the health of our planet. Share the goodness of the earth, refined by the best of human intelligence, and taste the difference that true commitment and passion can make in life. From the golden rice fields of Vietnam to a greener life for all, we cherish our roots while reaching for the stars of global innovation. From the golden grain to a sustainable future, we are the harmony of nature and technology, proudly honoring the true values of Vietnamese agriculture.